Hi guys, so I'm going to show you how I make a cup of delicious, uplifting, ceremonial grade cacao. And this is actually how I make it every morning. And yeah, I'm excited to share it with you. I start off with the ceremonial grade cacao. This is from the brand Fly Kakao. It is the signature blend, meaning it has panela, which is a natural sweetener, chili, vanilla beans, and it's of the Criolla strain, so it's from Guatemala. And I'm going to be adding rose tea. So I'm going to be steeping some rose tea. So I'll add some hot water right now. I'm going to be adding some cinnamon, which is great for stabilizing blood sugar, and maca powder. Maca powder is so amazing. It's a Peruvian root and it helps in adapting to stress. It uplifts mood. It's great for sexual health. It increases libido. It also is great for concentration as well as anemia. So if someone has low iron, it's also great for that. And I'm going to also add some maple syrup. Yes, there is panela in this, but it's not enough for me, so I'm going to be adding some more. So this is the cacao. I'm going to be adding about a tablespoon and a half, which is about 22 grams of cacao. And this is like a meditative dose. So the smell of this cacao is really beautiful, very strong. It does differ from the Peruvian cacao or Colombian cacao. The smell, the taste, the energetics of it, very different. So as the rose tea is steeping, I'm going to continue. I'm going to add about half a tablespoon of maca powder. I'm going to add also some cinnamon, just a dash of that. I'm also going to add some matcha. As you can see, it's a tiny amount, just for the added concentration enhancing kind of properties. And I noticed that I do actually feel the difference when I add the matcha. So now we're going to strain the rose tea. I'm going to be adding some maple syrup now. We're just adding a dash of that. So if you like it bitter, I would say don't add as much maple syrup. Bitterness actually has the medicine within it. Highly recommend having bit of the bitter flavor. Physically, it detoxifies the body. It's also great energetically because it connects you to being present in the body. So I'm going to go blend it up now. So this is the result of it. Look at those beautiful, beautiful bubbles. You can see how iridescent they are, and this is a very high quality cacao, ceremonial grade cacao that I found. This is my favorite one. So we're going to go ahead and pour it into the cup, and you could see it is rich with the cacao butter, which contains the plant compounds that are meant to connect you to your heart. It contains anandamide, which is a bliss molecule, and theobromine, which is great for giving you energy without the jitters, as well as flavonoids. So it's rich in flavonoids, which increases blood flow to the brain, hence why it's great for increasing concentration. Great alternative to coffee if you are looking for one. I like to burn some sage or palo santo to set up a sacred space, as well as turning on a candle. So this is my cup of cacao for a simple ritual that I do in the morning. I just simply take a couple deep breaths. I'm just being present with my body. It could be so easy just to immediately drink the cacao, which I do sometimes do that, but it's really powerful when you set an intention. For example, my intention for today is to connect to my heart and to focus on creating. So that's my main focus, my main intention, and you can also make it more specific. That way it's a more arrow focused intention, and this is a great way of just coming back to your center and becoming aware of the emotions that you're carrying that may be hindering you or not allowing you to tap into your creativity. Cacao is great for allowing you to tap into your creativity as well as increasing focus, and it's great for also uplifting your mood. I like to smell the cacao, tap into my five senses, the taste, the smell, the touch of the warmth of the cup in my hand. I would recommend doing this as a daily practice because the more you connect, the more you understand the benefits of it. At the beginning, I didn't understand the depth of it as I now know it to be. It's the practice of actually slowing down and being present with yourself that is also a major part of this. Listening to your intuition, listening to yourself. So this is why I highly recommend that. So immediately, there's like this soothing, calming feeling that I feel when I drink the cacao. And I also feel almost a rush of energy to my head, my crown. And the rush is more of like this calming energy to my head, and it opens my mind. As well as the matcha that I added, the matcha is meant to increase the sort of focus. So highly recommend this, trying this out. Let me know if you do try it out. I would love to hear how it goes for you. And I am someone who is sensitive. I do feel things right away, so I will be giving and I will receive the immediate effect of it compared to other people. And just simply closing your eyes and being present with yourself is already a practice of meditation, a practice of really nurturing yourself, coming back into your body. So this is a very grounding practice. If you are looking for a grounding practice, this is really, really good, because the more you are in your body, the better it is for your nervous system. Most people are disconnected from their body. It is a very powerful way to come back into your body. So I'm going to continue drinking the cacao. I might also take some cards out and then start my day, my work day. But of course, I can't do this every day because it depends on the day. So always meet yourself where you're at. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you have any questions about ceremonial grade cacao, you can place it in the comment section below. And I will be making more videos about this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you soon.